from the airport. I hope this is clear.
Yeah.
Great. So my requirement is I want to take a decision which property to opt for the program or for the event. I want the data should become as in this format. Are you able to see this? So this is a rating, this is a city, this is a venue, this is a parking, this is a kitchen, contact, catering allowed, square feet. This is the one information, and this should be merged with distance and Wi-Fi, and distance will tell us whether this is a close to the airport or far from the airport. When I click on far, these are the far from airport. So these are the close. So these are the distance. So Wi-Fi is available? Not. Wi-Fi is available? Yes. So I can take the decision according to this data, but my data is in this format. How I convert this data into a tabular data so that I can make decision out of that by creating a chart, a graph, or something else. I hope you are clear with the question. Yes, Daniel.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I'm not sure how you would start.
No, I will do that for you. I will teach you how to do that. But the question is that, are you clear with the question? The question is, we have a data in this format. We have to convert the data into this format.
Yes.
So this is a readable format. Now this is basically a tabular format where we can analyze the data.
And then you want to do the Wi-Fi and
yes, this all
tabular.
First of all, we have to convert this data in tabular, then merge with this data. Yes or no? Then
yes.
The output will come in that way. Then I will not put it here. I will put it in the Power BI to make the decision. I hope you are clear with that.
Yes, very clear.
Great. Now I am just doing this with the help of Power BI. Just look at here. This is a very good example. I love this example because this example use every good aspect of the Power BI. So this may be the actually last practical for Power Query. Then we'll move to some other topic, because other which I left 1-2 topics. These are very easy. These are already covered in some one or another. Now I am coming to the get data. I am coming to the Excel. In training, I just took to the merging reports. Total. I have a venue. So this is a venue option. This is a Wi-Fi option. So I take the both. I need a transform. So as of now, the Wi-Fi is okay. I'm not touching it. I'm going to the venue. Venue is not coming in a proper way. The first thing I want to fill down. So I just work with the fill down. So these are basically the symbols.
Star
4-star, 5-star, star symbol, but that there is using a different type of font face. So that's what is coming. Now, this is the one thing. Second thing, this is not required. So we have these two details with me. Now I add an index. So I'll get the next column. Now look at here. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till here, we have what? We have the one record. This is a one record now. This is the second record starting from here. So what I'll do, I'll just come on to that and I'll just create a modulo of 7, because the 7 columns comes in a one record. I said 7, click on OK. So look at here, after every 7 we have a 0. So new record is starting from 0 to then this 0 to the next 0. Now what I'll do, I'll just make a transform and make a what? Unpivoting the data. So let's suppose this is the data I want to unpivot. I click on to that. Control Z by clicking on index. No, I'll just make it a that is coming. Sorry, the one step I'm missing is the modulo is fine. Let's pivot this. Yes, I want to pivot it. Sorry, not unpivot it. So I come to the detail and advanced option. Do not aggregate. No calculation is required. So I say do not aggregate. Put it on the detail, and I click on to the OK. So that is a perfect one. Sorry, I'm just doing the reverse of that. So now I have got this one record. So I need to fill this up. I need to fill this up. I need to fill this up. Are you able to see that?
Yeah, I see it.
So what I'll do for all this operation, I just move var one for first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. I right click and say fill up. So I'll get fill up. So this is a one record. This is a second record. This is a third record. But this null to be removed from here. So I filter this null out. I do not require the index column. My job is done.
Okay.
Now I get the first column. That is this second column, third column. These all records are coming in a tabular form. But the only thing missing is the heading name. So I open the source data to just check the headings and just use this heading there. So in the venue, I have this city. So I'll just copy this city. Go to Power BI, double click on that, paste it here. Come on to the second one. We have venue, copy the venue. Paste it here. Or you can type also. This is not like here what is there, parking. So even you can go just see what is there. Parking is this.
That's parking,
After
right? Kitchen.
one is city, second is a lot. Yes, parking is parking. And the third one is a kitchen, I think, yes. Then the fourth one is basically the contact. Then the outside catering allowed, it's a big one. I just copy this to save my time. Square foot. So my data is ready. I just do few steps and my data is ready. So what I need to do is one more step is there. I need to go to home. I need to go to merge query. I have this query and I have Wi-Fi. So I do what? I click on to the venue and the location. So all 31 is mapped and I click on OK. I'll get this table. I'll just say I want a Wi-Fi and the distance and click on
Okay.
OK. Now there is a one thing which is pending there. You can look at the one. What is written here?
What's that? I'm sorry?
What is the selected folder name?
Adding a conditional column.
Yes. Now I do this in this particular example, a conditional column. So this is a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is there or not. We have a yes or no. Now we have a distance. So I assume I'll go to the add column. There is a conditional column option. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
I click on that. So one column is created. Uh, how far or the distance. What is written there in this particular file? There is something written now. I just take help from there only. Merging report. What column they created? I just take the name from there.
Mm-hmm.
Approximately. So I just take that name. It is not mandatory. I just take that name.
Gotcha.
So if the column value of distance is greater than or equal to greater than 5, if they are from the more than 5 kilometers, then the output is far. Otherwise, the output is what?
Close.
Close. Near, we can write a near. Near is the right word.
Mm-hmm.
Far and near. No, I can say far and near. So I click on OK. I will get a conditional column. If the distance value is greater than 5, it will automatically become far. If it is not, it will become near. I click on OK. So I'll get a column. Please look at the conditional column.
Yeah, I see it.
So one conditional column is ready with us.
So then you just
Now,
have to do another one for the Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi, we have a yes or no, available or not available. This is
Mm-hmm.
already given NY.
Oh, yes. So it's
Fine.
clear.
So I just close and apply. Fine. Then I will get a window of Power BI. I'll have the venue. Now I need to take the analysis with the help of this. I'll choose one. Now I'll take some data table. Look at here. I'll just take a table. So we
Mm-hmm.
have an option to take the table. I take the table. So this is my table.
Okay.
What information you want to put in a table? I'll go to the venue. I say I want to know the city. I want to know the venue name, whether the Wi-Fi is available. I need these two information only. I do not require anything else. Or the contact person, one more thing. This is the contact for that. So I need that. I just make it big so that you can see it. Values. So in values, I'll just take some bigger points. Visible to you?
Yep.
No, I am just going to the to the column headers. Column headers is also, I am just making it big. City, venue, and contact. That is great. So I have this information. Now I am using a slicer here. So how to use the slicer? There is a slicer option. Please look at here. Look at here. What is written here?
Slicer.
So I click on to the slicer. So what information you want to slicer is basically a proximity. So proximity has two options, near and far. So again, you can make it big. So I just make it smaller so that I can choose from there. Now I need one more slicer. I click here. I'll get one more slicer. So I take a Wi-Fi slicer. So either Y and N. I'll just go there. and there is an item. Make it 20 or maybe 24. That is a better option. So make a size according to their requirement. So I have these two slices. So when I say tell me how many are the near to the, so when I click on near, these are the near. And my requirement is a Wi-Fi. How many has a Wi-Fi? So these all have Wi-Fi. And these all are near. Are you clear with that? If I say no, I don't want Wi-Fi, so there is only one which does not have Wi-Fi, which is near. I say how many are the far, so these are the far. So it is easy to take the decision which venue is suitable for us. Are you able to hear me, Daniel?
Yeah, I got it.
I think you got the second level. Here we are not using any charts, but I am analyzing the data. If somebody wants a report from you that tell me how many are near and how many has the Wi-Fi, so this is the report to share with them.
Right.
So this we can do in easy way by just cleaning the data and putting it in the format of report. And you learn two new things here in presentation. You learn one thing that is called table. I will discuss each and every you say visualization tool and each and every format option with you by tomorrow, because the tomorrow entire day is on visualization. Entire day we are going to do the charts, different type of chart, which chart is suitable for which purpose, when to create what chart. So these all things we will learn, but we are learning small things together with the help of other tools also. I hope you are clear with this.
Yep.
If you've done this practical, Daniel, it means you learn every aspect of Power BI, because this is a complex example of Power Query.
Yeah.
This is not an easy example of Power Query. This is a complex example of Power Query. And this is the best example where you can clean. Nobody can think that this data can be cleaned in 5 minutes. People thought that we need to copy paste. Achha, these information are of, let's suppose, 100 records. If their information is of a 1 lakh record, hardly matters to you. You have to do the same steps.
Gotcha.
I hope this is clear to you. Tell me.
Shoot, I don't know how I'm feeling, to be honest, because that was a lot of steps.
I will give you time for that and do the practical. Do you want me to repeat?
I would like to try.
Okay, sure. I just close this. So I just copy the file at the desktop so that it is easier for you. Now, all yours. Try this.
Awesome. So, open Power BI.
Have you tried to fix your system in lunch break?
Yeah, I actually have an instance of Windows running on my computer right now. What was I doing?
The Power BI is working there?
I was trying to I still haven't downloaded Power BI.
So you do this practical. After that, we will try to do that. We will fix it.
All right, so we want venues and Wi-Fi. Transform the data. Okay. And this is the race. I'll get it back. Okay. So to going to pivot. No, wait. Okay. Oh, I thought I had canceled. Lost all my data. Okay. So okay. All right. So let me see. So this one. Remove this column. Transform. Detail. Okay. No. One, two, three.